Hey, what's up guys? Good day! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kung bago ka pa lang sa YouTube channel ko, please subscribe and hit the notification bell button para lagi kang updated sa mga new contents ko. So this time, we're going to talk about inviters commission when you get hired. Kasi I have seen, now if you are um, member of a certain page sa Blue App, page in Blue App. I don't know the exact name of the page, but I have seen one of the posting there. I couldn't provide you the resibo. I couldn't provide you a proof na may nag-post about it. So ang post niya kasi doon is about, I think it's a rant for his or her inviter, no? Why am I creating this video is to clarify, maybe you have the same misconception about commission of the inviter when you get hired. Ito kasi yun. Okay, let's start with number one. Point niya doon, isa sa point niya doon sa posting na yun is that maybe he or she is thinking that whenever you use our code, it means that we can get our commission already or our incentives already. No, actually not, because we can't have our commission from you guys if you are going to use our code. It's not about using the code, but if you pass the demo and conduct two classes, like real classes that you have your own student, no classes with an actual student, that's the time that we can get our commission from you. Okay, but if you didn't proceed, no, if you pass the demo but you haven't proceed yet to the probationary period, the boot camp exam, and the lesson preparation, if you haven't followed that, no, even if you pass the demo and you become a PALFISH teacher but you haven't proceed to those steps that I have mentioned, we cannot get our commission. Let's be clear, okay? Kasi ang daming mga ang dami palang may misconception about it, no? So some of the applicants, that they think that when you use our code as inviter, we will get our commission automatically. It's not actually, okay? Okay, I'd like to address that misconception. Maybe some of you who are watching this video, the same, you have the same infos, no? You have the same thought with that person na nag-post sa Blue App, sa page. It's actually, yung page na yun is not the PALFISH itself. The PALFISH main or official page, it's not the official page of PALFISH. It's not the official page of PALFISH. So it's just a page created by teachers. Hindi naman ako yung inviter na tinutukoy niya sa post, but I'd like to defend, no, sa inviter na pinagrantan niya, because your inviter, actually, you said in your post that hindi ka pumasa, right? Hindi ka pumasa. And so that means your inviter didn't get her commission from you. 'Di ba? So, parehas lang kayo, no? Wala ka na benefit, maybe from her, maybe kasi hindi. I don't know kasi the problem with you guys, no? So, between the two, sa nag-post and sa inviter. But again, this content is for my viewers, maybe because you have the same misconception, okay? At least we can break that already, okay? Again, we cannot receive our commission, our incentives, if you can't proceed, or like if you can't have your two actual classes in PALFISH. That's probationary period. Okay, that's your probationary period. If you can't reach to that level, no, we can't get our commission. Actually, starting this year, January 2025 until now, a lot of you guys keep on asking, can I use your code, Teacher Lynn? Yes, you can. I'm not forcing you to use my code. Whenever I post some videos, contents here in my YouTube channel, I'm not forcing you to use my code, but you ask me to use my code. It's your choice, right? So, and yes, you can if you want to. Okay, hindi naman namin pinipilit na gamit. Ako personally, I don't know about the other inviters. Maybe they are forcing you to use their code, but not me. Hindi naman ako, as long as you watch my videos, it's good, okay? At least you're helping me in return. So just watch my videos. And actually, all of my videos, is very, hindi naman self-proclaim, but I think lang na it's very useful since I've got a lot of praises from the comment section na thank you for the very informative daw yung mga contents ko, and then thank you then, no, na pinanood nyo yung mga videos ko. But again, if you want to use my code, then do so. But if you just want to watch my videos and you don't want to use my code, it's okay. It's totally okay. But the advantage of those who have used my code is that they can personally ask me questions right after they pass the demo. Because throughout the application, like nag-apply pa kayo, basic information until demo, guys, even if you are my invites, now if you have used my code, kahit naman hindi ko kayo ma-replyan from basic information until demo, it's okay kasi meron naman akong mga videos about it. Kasi nga, you cannot message me there sa Palfish na. Okay, kasi I'm not working with Palfish. And maybe, okay, right after nung wala na ako sa Palfish, I thought na hindi na ako makaka-receive ng commission whenever my invites pass their demo, and then they'll get their provisionary period. They pass the provisionary period. I thought na wala na akong commission, pero hindi pala. So, yun. Kaya sinasabi ko din sa mga gumamit ng code ko last year na, sorry, but, hindi na nga ako makakapag-receive ng commission ko. I'm just helping you guys. Akala ko lang kasi dahil na hindi na ako makaka-receive ng commission. But baka iisipin nyo, siguro sobrang dami na ng pera ni Teacher Lynn. Kasi ang dami pa. If you have read the comment section sa mga contents ko, ang daming mga, Teacher Lynn, can I use your code? Parang ganun. Yes, madami sila. Pero ang tanong, pumasa ba sila lahat? Of course. Not. Hindi lahat pumasa. Actually, from January this year, hanggang June, sa lahat ng mga gumamit ng code ko, parang 7 lang ang pumasa. Hindi ata, parang 5 lang ata pumasa. Sa lahat ba naman, okay, I'm gonna show you. Here are the invites na gumamit ng code ko. Yan sila lahat, from January hanggang ngayon. Kung makikita nyo, puro lang naman yan mga interview due, interview pending, application, parang information incomplete, parang ganun. Lahat yan sila mga pending yan. I don't have commission from them. Kung meron kayong nakikitang approve, yan, meron akong commission from them. Yang approve lang ang meron akong commission. Pero, may nakalagay dyan na dalawang approve, pero hindi ako nakapag-receive ng commission. Why? Because, my gosh, hindi sila nagpatuloy. Sayang naman, pumasa na sila sa demo. Although approved na yung status nila. Pero hindi sila nagpatuloy eh. Hanggang pumasa lang sila sa demo. They're actually part of Palfish teachers. They are already hired pero hindi sila nagpatuloy. Hindi sila nag-proceed sa bootcamp. Hindi sila nag-proceed sa lesson preparation. And the provisionary period, hindi sila nagpatuloy. Kaya wala akong commission from them. Diba? Akala lang kasi ng iba that whenever they use our code, we can have our commission already. No, we cannot receive commission automatically. Hindi po, ha? Oo. Gusto ko lang i-make sure i-clear yan. And then, another topic for this video is that, isa pang concern niya doon sa posting niya is, again, hindi naman ako yung inviter na pinoint out niya doon sa post niya, pero wala lang, I'd like to create a content because maybe you have the same question. So the second point for this video is, ang sabi kasi niya sa post niya is, I think hindi niya naman sinabi, pero may mga nabasa kasi akong comment doon na yung pagkaintindi ng mga nag-comment doon is like, parang kami ang dahilan as inviter, bakit kayo na-failed? Parang ganyan. Hindi po. Kasi actually, we are just your guide in your application. Wala kami sa posisyon para i-evaluate yung demo ninyo. Kasi kung kami lang naman ang mag-evaluate ng demo ninyo, edi papasa ko na kayong lahat para magkaroon na din ako ng commission at kung magpatuloy lang kayo. Pero again, hindi kami ang mag-i-evaluate ng demo ninyo. Kaya kayo na failed maybe because of your pronunciation, your teeth, parang ganyan. Okay. A lot of you keep on asking, Teacher Lynn, ilang beses na ako na failed pero yung reason nila is paulit-ulit lang. I don't know then. Kasi meron akong invite, no? The same question na, Teacher Lynn, 2 beses na akong na failed but the reason that I got the same reason na nung first kong na failed. The first time na na-failed siya. One is that the TEFL certificate. So I asked her, ano ba yung TEFL na certificate na ginamit mo? Yung sa teacher's record daw na that time, no, nag-ask na din ako sa admin ko because I'm working pa sa Palfish that time. And I asked the admin if the teacher's record is still considered, no? Parang verified pa ba, kung ma-verify pa ba yun kung yun ang ginamit nilang certificate. Ang sabi ng admin sa akin, yes. Yes. Actually, parang sinendan ko nga siya ng picture ng TEFL certificate from teacher's record on. And she said yes. No? So maybe, parang ewan ko nga lang, format lang ba ata yung sinesend nila na reason. Hindi ko din ba, I don't know about them. Kasi again, maybe that's why you are maybe that's why you have the thought na baka kami yung mag-evaluate ng demo ninyo kasi paulit-ulit lang yung reason. Hindi po inviter ang nag-evaluate ng demo. Hindi. That's the Palfish system. Sila na mga taga Palfish ang nag-evaluate niyan. So, kung meron man kayong sisisihin, no, kung baka sasabihin nyo, ginalingan ko na't lahat. Pero failed pa rin ako. Sino sisisihin nyo? Inviter? Hindi po Kasi we are just a guide. Ang purpose lang namin is to give you the step-by-step and the tips. Kung paano pumasa. Kung paano magkaroon ng student. Kung ano ba yung mga feature ng Palfish. Parang yun lang yung guide namin. Yun lang yung purpose namin, guys. That's why Palfish have their inviter para makatulong kami. Kasi kung iisa-isahin pa nila kayo na i-guide, sa ang dami nyo naman, 'di ba? And again, guys, one of the parang rants ng iba na parang negative comments about Palfish is that matagal daw yung result ng demo. And nagets ko naman kayo because right after demo, 'di ba, may nakalagay 2 to 3 working days marireceive na ang result ng demo. Mali din 'yun kasi dapat kung matagal man ma-receive yung demo result, sana hindi na lang nilagyan na 2 to 3 days, 2 to 3 working days marireceive na yung result. Kasi true naman, 'di ba? Kasi 'yun yung paniniwalaan ng applicants. Gets ko kayo sa part na 'yan na parang totoo naman, no? Kasi kung alam niyo sa totoo lang hindi naman yan nasusunod na parang 2 to 3 working days na receive na agad. Kung meron man sa inyo, then lucky you that agad-agad yung result ng demo niyo. Pero most of us, no, matagal talaga. Nung nag-apply ako, matagal talaga yung result ng demo ko eh. Ang iba nga na abot ng 1 buwan. Or I think mahigit sa 1 buwan. Grabe naman yun, no? Pero wala na kaming hawak dyan. You cannot blame us. Baka kasi sisisihin nyo na naman yung inviter. Kasi si inviter kaya matagal yung result ng demo ko kasi ito si inviter ko, ganyan. Kung kami lang yung mag-evaluate ng demo, ipapasa ko kayong lahat sa totoo lang. 'Di ba? Si inviter talaga ganito. No. Kasi actually, hindi lang Pinoy ang aplikante sa Palfish. Sobrang dami. From other countries, they also have applicants there, no? Hindi lang Pinoy, no? Wag tayong maging parang magpa-priority, walang ganun. Hindi dahil may inviter ka, priority ka, hindi. So sa mga invites ko pala, wala akong video kung ano yung gagawin nyo right after you pass the demo, kaya panoorin nyo yung video na to, tapusin nyo at intindihin nyo kung paano nyo ako makontak. Okay? Right after you finish your demo. And yes, namo-monitor ko kayo. Chine-check ko lagi yan kung sino na ba yung pumasa sa demo. Paano nyo malalaman kung pumasa kayo sa demo? Magme-message ang admin sa inyo. At paano ko malalaman na pumasa na kayo sa demo? Makikita ko yan sa status dito sa invitees list. Okay? So guys, please lang, huwag niyong isisi sa inviter kung bakit kayo na-failed. Kung gusto niyong tanungin ang admin niyo, bakit niyo ako parang finailed? Bakit ako failed? Gusto mo mag-wilga dyan. Dito. Ito, nakikita niyo yan. You can message your admin dito. Meron siyang headphone icon. Click niyo yan and then malalaman niyo na kung sino yung admin ninyo. At doon yun na bonggang-bonggang mag-rant. Goodbye guys. Please subscribe. Please follow me in my YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell button para lagi kayong updated. Pag meron akong magbagong video, gaya nito, hindi niyo click yung notification bell, hindi kayo ma-notify na meron akong bagong content, di ba? Tapos, i-like nyo din yung mga videos ko, yung mga videos na tingin nyo nakatulong sa inyo.